How to download and install an app on Android from Google Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get. Now to download any application from Google Play Store, first of all launch the Play Store application on your device and then select any of the app over here. So also make sure that you're logged into your account over here. Now I want to install and download the application called Reddit. So I have searched for the Reddit application and all I have to do is tap on install and it will start installing it on my device. So just make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device so that it gets downloaded and installed on your device. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So as you can see, the app has been installed. So all I have to do is just tap on open over here. And as I tap on open, it will lead me to the home page of the Reddit application on my device, and the home screen and the user interface will look something like this over here on the very first page over here. So here it is how it looks, and you just have to continue with either Google or use your email name or username over here in order to continue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.